Good morning, everybody. I am testing out something new. I got a mic in the mail from one of my subscribers and a great friend. Her name is Sandy Appleby at Suburban Homesteading WY, which is for Wyoming. And she said that nobody could hear me. And somebody else said it when I was like, well, I kind of speak kind of low when everybody's upstairs sleeping, but in reality, they don't hear me down here. When you're upstairs and you really don't hear nothing downstairs. And I hear the neighbors when I'm upstairs more so than I hear anything else. But she said, I'm going to send you a mic anyway. So, Sandy, I greatly appreciate it. Believe me, this was really nice. And my kids, my son and daughter-in-law, not my kids, they really were excited too, because it was like, yay. But and this was really nice, and it will hook up to my phone, so when I use my phone in the kitchen or wherever else I'm filming, I will have a mic with me. So yay, this is really cool. So we're going to see how this turns out today. Also, I need to do another shout out to Tina at Striving for the Simple Life, because she's dairy free and not vegan, but does things differently. They use goat milk, which we can't. But we and I were talking, and she goes, what do y'all miss since you can't have regular dairy? And my daughter-in-law misses pizza rolls. So she she took on the challenge of trying to make pizza rolls. Yeah, she had the same issues we did, but she did something different I didn't do. She did make the cheese from the cashews. So I'm going to try and make cheese from cashews and see how that works out, and I will video that for y'all. But yes, I want to do those two shout outs. The thank you gift from Sandy and the thank you to Tina for trying to make those pizza rolls. We're just going to keep on working at it. So that is what I have for today. I'll be doing some more videos here in a little while throughout the week. But other than that, we had some snow. We got to play snowball fight and make a snowman yesterday. And just having a good old time with family. And I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe, no matter if you got snow or if you got the rain and the flooding. I hope that is not a forecast or whatever looking at what spring and summer is going to be like. It'll be a calm one. But other than that, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. And leave a comment below. And then if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for watching our videos, and we greatly appreciate it. Getting close to 300, and there'll be a giveaway when we get there. So with that, everybody have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time on Ashley's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening.